Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you, of course. Today let me introduce you this here, the SwitchBot Plug Mini. It's a Meta-enabled device with a power monitoring system, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth control, and it's compatible with Alexa, Google Home, SmartThings, and Home Assistant. It's a voice control and remote app access smart plug with 16 ampere power. Yeah, Matter-enabled socket. This SwitchBot Plug Mini supports Matter over Wi-Fi and can be added directly to the Home app or Home Assistant. And we have on top an energy monitoring system. This Wi-Fi powered outlet with a power meter, real-time monitoring with reports and overload alerts. That's only available via the SwitchBot app. It's not Matter's possibility. With here in compact design, because this smart socket requires a minimal space and does not block other outlets when plugged it in. And it's at the same time a Matter bridge. It enables the Matter support for Bluetooth devices. That's cool, because this is an additional feature for that, such as SwitchBot blind tilt or curtain 3 and the board. Integrated the sub-device slot for up to 2 devices that can be connected via Matter. And we can control it via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Even if if our home Wi-Fi is unstable, we can still control this Wi-Fi socket directly by Bluetooth. That means remote control. We can turn devices on or off at any time using the SwitchBot app and schedule automatic shutdown to save energy and reduce the risk of fire at home. And on top, we can go to voice control, because we can control our plug with the voice commands using Alexa, Siri, Google Assistant, SmartThings, or Home Assistant. You see, all this is possible with this SwitchBot device. At SwitchBot, they know the idea of transforming the home into a smart place we can sometimes be daunting. That's why they like to keep things simple. With the products, we can transform any existing household appliance, making it interactive, fun, and intuitive in seconds, and all at a low cost level. So what we are waiting for? We make everything easy with SwitchBot. That's right. The SwitchBot Plug Mini is a Wi-Fi socket with a power metering. It supports Alexa, Google Home, Siri, and Matter. Compact, energy-saving, and controllable via app or voice command. Ideal for a smart home user with a Wi-Fi wireless socket and a smart life system. And full control anytime, anywhere, and automatically. Where we are going to need it, we can plug it in and we can use it. This all is possible with that little device. That is the SwitchBot plug. This is a smart plug and it is connectable to our plug or to our sockets all over Europe with additionally power monitoring, Wi-Fi function, and Bluetooth control. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.